How to replace a Human Touch Super Novo 3.0 side panel. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a 6mm Allen wrench. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Unzip the foot and calf massager upholstery from the front of the backrest pad. If there is a black plastic spacer installed on the foot and calf massager mounting post, remove and discard it. Pry the retaining clip off the mounting post by pulling outward on the tongue and then upward. If there is a plastic spacer on the other mounting post, remove and discard it. Pry the retaining clip off the other mounting post. Slide the massager to the left off the mounting post, to the right off the other mounting post, then rest it on the floor. Disconnect the air hose, then press firmly on the connector release tab before pulling it toward you to disconnect it. Plug in the chair, then power it on. Remove the tablet from the tablet holder. On the tablet main menu, select the Zero Gravity button, tap the circle to display the Zero Gravity option, then tap the circle again to display the Horizon Rest option. The chair automatically reclines as far as it will go. Power off the chair, then unplug it. Turn the tablet holder lock counterclockwise to unlock it, then pull upward on the tablet holder to remove it. Using a 6mm Allen wrench, remove the two bolts that secure the front of the side panel. Unzip the shoulder air bladder zipper, then use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the upper side panel screw and washer. Lift the side panel, then slide it forward to detach it. Disconnect the connector and air hose, making sure the white plastic fitting remains in the side panel hose. Now, let's replace it. Note the two horseshoe brackets and the horizontal bracket on the side panel. Note the two posts and the front horizontal frame on the chair. Place the side panel next to the chair, then connect the air hoses, making sure the hose is installed all the way onto the fitting. Connect the connectors, listening for a clicking sound, which indicates that the connection is secure. Install the side panel onto the chair by sliding the two horseshoe brackets over the posts, then lowering the front horizontal bracket onto the horizontal chair frame. Confirm that the front screw holes are aligned. Replace the two bolts and washers to secure the front of the side panel to the chair. Unzip the shoulder air bladder, then replace the screw and washer to secure the rear of the side panel to the chair. Close the air bladder zipper. Note the notches on the tablet holder shaft. Note the notches on the tablet holder base. Align the notches, then slide the tablet holder shaft into the base with the ledge facing the inside of the chair. Turn the lock clockwise to secure it. Confirm that the tablet holder swivels. Plug in the chair, then power it on. The chair automatically restores to the upright position. Wait for the foot and calf massager support arm to retract. Power off the chair, then unplug it. Place the foot and calf massager into position, then connect the connectors. You should hear a click, indicating that the connection is secure. Connect the air hoses, making sure the hose is installed all the way onto the fitting. Slide one of the mounting brackets onto the mounting post, then replace the clip to secure it. Make sure the tongue of the clip is facing the inside of the chair. Slide the other mounting bracket onto the mounting post, then replace the clip to secure it. Make sure the tongue of the clip is facing the inside of the chair. Zip the foot and calf massager upholstery to the front of the backrest pad. Place the tablet into the tablet holder. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.